Good afternoon, BIllyjack on location. Nuuanu stream, valley, cascade, waterfall number 2, depending on which way you're counting from. This one's above the one in Queen BIllyjack, if that's the correct pronunciation, parked above Foster's Garden. This is the second one. There's a couple more, or third, there's a couple more hidden up in here. Once again, we have a hole of water. How about pit number 2? Anomoly number 5. This one appears to be blasted directly out of a solid rock here. Let me get a, it's so dangerous walking around here. We've got so much glare right now. Sorry about that. I don't want to break a leg or start this over again. Yeah, this is the second one of these pits. It's not as big as the other pit down there in the park. It's big enough. It also exhibits some unusual cuts in the rock. People have been coming here for hundreds of thousands of years, if not longer. It's a beautiful place. If you lived on this island, you'd be here too. It's pretty deep in here also, with no rocks. It's like there was enough water pressure that blasted everything out of here. BIllyjack over and out.